This is Sam Ellis with Share to Scale, and just wanted to share. This is a moment for sharing. I'm excited. We selected our tagline.
Don't
Giving
post
You
it,
Today
video it.
shows you how that tagline definitely fits what we're doing, and how video is going to change the game for you like it's done for me and many others in regards to promoting your business and scaling your business. No matter where you are, no matter where you are, no matter where you at financially, you'll be able to do this. And so I'm excited. So let's get started. So what I did was I called a customer and I said, hey, I saw a flyer that you posted, and here's a picture of the flyer. Make it bigger. And here's a picture of the flyer that I saw. That someone is doing a Militime Entertainment. Is doing a comedy show at the Black Jockeys Lounge. And I said, well, I can actually take that flyer there that you posted, and I can create an amazing video, and I can do it in record time. And he said, okay, cool. And so, boom. I said, just send me the pictures of what you have, and let me go to work. And so, went to work, and this is what I produced from that flyer.
KOOLBUBBAICE.
So, guys, let me help you bring your video to life. Let me help you bring your posters to life. Good quality video, TV style commercial. No matter what you're promoting, no matter what type of business you're in, and we can help you bring that video to life so you can be able to get more likes and shares, which means more business. Sam Ellis, click the link below to get more information, or you can call me at 502-817-1984 while I'm still available. As soon as we continue to scale and do the things that it takes to grow this business, then someone else will be probably handling that. But I'm enjoying the ride right now, guys. We are going to use the formula, the same formula that we're going to use. We're going to teach you exactly what we're doing to market, brand, and scale our business. Hang with us. Keep looking. Come back to the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Like, share, so I can get more people to look at what I'm doing. See you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.